Dude, I want to tell you all that the car does smell better, quite a bit better since I did the cleaning. I'm actually surprised how much better it smells. It smells so much better that I think I'm gonna try to clean this seat. Even though I need to change it, I'm gonna try to clean this seat, and I need to clean this floor. And also, I might take these seats out today because I may want to clean up under the seat. Volkswagens, back when I used to steal Volkswagens, they had the easiest seats in the world to take out. I think it was a bolt in the very front, and it was like you remove something, you remove this, well, it used to be a cover at the very back. Here it looks like the cover is here, but you remove this cover and just slide the seat all the way back. That's where it used to be. But yeah, the car smells definitely better. So I'm going to clean the driver's seat, clean the floor, and I may take the driver's seat out. But there's something I want to try. This mold right here. This is cleaning vinegar. I don't know if it's the same as white vinegar, but it's clear. It smells like vinegar. I guess it might help if I open this thing up. This is a little cheap bottle I bought at Kroger. Ooh, yeah, it smells like vinegar. All right. It definitely smells like vinegar. Will it clear the mold out? I don't know. How much does it take to clear the mold out? I don't know. But we're gonna try that. And what was I going to do? Crank it up and check the water. But I didn't want to sit in the seat. Well, I had to put this back in the seat. Won't go down. The hell? Oh hell! It's starting to rain. Guess I have to stop this. Is it cleaning it? I don't know, but let me holler at y'all a little bit. iTube Black here. I am not lying. I'm not lying. I just emptied this thing. Now you see how dirty it is, right? Guess where this little bit of dirt came from? From on top of this. And I was like, nah, I don't need to clean that. Nah, I don't need to clean that. It wasn't really that dirty, but apparently it was. So where's this black stuff coming from? I mean, that's brown. I understand if it was brown, you could say this was fading, but this is black. Man, this was a dirty ass car.